What do bears say? Oh, are bears mean? No, bears are nice as long as you leave them alone. Yeah, nice bear. It's not a real bear, but it's nice. If this was a real bear, they wouldn't be petting it. Yeah, there's another bear. Let's not climb on him though. What does this bear say? No, let's not climb on it. You can look at it though. Do a big bear growl. Roar. Shake your head and go roar. Do a really big roar. 1, 2, 3. Do roar. 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 You growling too? You're cute. Do you love bears?
Yeah.
Give bear kisses? Aw, you're a nice girl. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye bye bye.